Hey guys, welcome back to another video from Wacky Engineering, and today we're going to be building a self-filling water bowl for your dog or cat. In today's build, we have a water bowl, a float switch, we have one single pole relay, we have some 3D printed brackets, we have some hose clamps, we have a cord grip, some magnets, some ding rail, we have a timer relay, some terminal blocks, we have a circuit breaker. If we have space for it, we have a counter. We have a fitting to hook to our solenoid valve. We have a used solenoid valve from an old dishwasher, so that's bonus, free. We have a very cheap electrical enclosure from Walmart. We have some flexible tubing, and we have some wire. Okay, now that we've gone over all the parts, now it's time to put it together. Okay, now that everything is mounted in the enclosure, we're going to solder an extension onto this float and an extension onto the solenoid valve. And remember guys, here at Wacky Engineering, safety third. Okay, all the electrical wiring is done. All we have left now is a little bit of plumbing, and we can mount these brackets. So in this circuit, we have this timer relay. And what this does is if for some reason the float were to stick or the dog were to knock one of these magnets off and this thing just started spraying water, it would only spray water for whatever amount of time you have set here, and then it will trip the circuit. And the only way to get it to restart again is to remove power from the circuit, plug it back in, or you could hit this circuit breaker. So this relay down here, this is the relay that actually provides power to the solenoid valve. All in all, this is a pretty basic circuit, pretty easy to build at home if you have some of these things laying around or if you just had to buy a timer relay. This is more for safety. We could have done this with just the single relay and this float switch. So right now we just have this set up in the garage, and we have a hose running from the back faucet off the back side of the house. Okay, we have the water turned on. Let's fire it up and see if she works. And there it is. The float kicked it off when it raised all the way to the top. This is what's going to happen if your float goes bad or gets knocked off. It'll kick on, and when this timer times out, there it went. And it will not restart again until I remove power, or in this case, I'll hit the circuit breaker to shut it off. Okay, there you have it. I'd say this was a success. We went out to put this thing together so we wouldn't worry about our animals going without water, and ultimately it works. I think Andy's going to be installing this in his house for his cats and dogs, so hopefully he has good luck with it. If you guys like this video, please like and subscribe, and if you guys want to see anything else that's automated, let us know. Thanks for watching.